What's retarget advertising? That's a common question a lot of people ask me. Now, retarget advertising is a very powerful form of advertising used by very successful businesses that a small business also can use very effectively and very affordably. Now, retarget advertising is that follow me advertising you see. Say, take the case you went to the Qantas website to buy an air ticket. You may have bought the ticket or you may have not bought the ticket. However, once you leave that website, say you are on news.com.au or you're on the Sydney Morning Herald website or the Australian website, and suddenly you see the Qantas ad appearing. Now that's a retarget advertisement. What it does is it shows the web visitors your brand so that they don't forget you. This is a fabulous way of sales follow-up. You know, in the old form sales, we know the value of sales follow-up. You know, sales follow-up is such an important part of a business. Now, retarget advertising can be that sales follow-up system in a digital way. It's, as I mentioned earlier, affordable to do. It needs a lot of some expertise, in fact, to make sure those ads are designed beautifully, it's delivering the right message, and the ad setup is done correctly. Use that form of advertising. It's very powerful, as I said earlier. All the very best. Hope you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure you press the like button, share it with your people, and subscribe to our channel because we have a host of great videos that are constantly coming up from experts in the field.